Okay, in this video we're going to do questions 28 and 29 on the review packet, and this is focusing initially on circles and then on ellipses. So here's an equation of a circle right here. You should recognize that as being x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So the h is the x value of the center, so that's going to be a 2. And the k is the y value, because it's a positive 1 and I need it to be a negative k, then that's going to be a negative 1. So that's my center. My radius is the square root of 25, which is 5. So I have those two values. And so I'm going to plot my point. I go over 2 and down 1. I'm going to go by ones in here. That should do it for me. And then I'm going to go up 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put a little dot. Over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Grab. I'm going to try to draw my circle. So I want to draw a circle. And let's see. Nope. We're going to see if we can get this done. Okay, let me just put the rest of the marks out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so if I try to draw it like that and give myself a circle, how did that do it? I have to go a little quicker. Okay, so this may be a work in progress. That's not bad. And then I'm going to try to move it a little tiny bit over here. And that has to go up a little bit. No, I think I'm okay. Okay, so there's my circle. Okay, so that's what you should get when you do this first problem. Okay, looking again at the equation of a circle over here, to do the second problem, I see I'm going to have to switch the sign of the x value this time. That's negative 3, but the y value is okay, and the radius is the square root of 16, which is 4. So negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and then down up 3. 1, 2, 3. Here's my center of that circle. I have to go up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be about that big. Over 1, 2, 3, 4. Over 1, 2, 3, 4. And down 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to quickly try to do my circle and then bring it out to where I need it to be, and bingo. There you have it. Okay, so those are the circle problems. Let's go on to the ellipses. Remember, an ellipse has the same general format of the numerators here, so it's still going to be x minus h squared, and then this is the major axis, so it's 5 squared, so it's 25, and that plus, and then this is going to be y minus k, and here is the minor action because it is 16, which is less than 25, and they always equal 1. So we don't have a radius here because it's not going to be a uniform distance from the center to get to the outside of the ellipse. So the center you can read off as negative 2, comma, negative 2. Okay, so let's plot that point. I go over 2 and then down 2. I'm right here. Okay, look where the x is. I'm going to go 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. That's where the x is going to be. Then the y values are going to be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4 up, and let me slide this up, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 down. Okay, so then let's see if we can get an ellipse. I think I had to kind of go like this, and then go like that. And it's going to look like a stretched out circle. And like that. Okay, there you have it. Okay, so that's an approximation of what it should look like. Okay, the next one, the center, again, reading from the top, is going to be 2, comma, negative 3. Okay, so go to 2, and then down 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this time the x is smaller, so I'm going to go 3, 1, 2, 3. this way, 1, 2, 3 that way. That makes up my minor axis. And then I'm going to go up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That makes up my major axis. And then I'm going to play connect the dots again. And you can see this one is stretched vertically, whereas the other one was stretched horizontally. And there you have it, and we are done with the review.